Hey everyone, Aurora Sharf here, the content lead for the React certification at Certificates.dev. I'm thrilled to share something really exciting with you. So on November 15th and 16th, we're giving you 48 hours of completely free access to the React mid-level certification training. That means you can explore the lessons, tackle the coding challenges, complete quizzes, and even get a taste of the trial exam. This will be your chance to experience the certification firsthand. You'll get hands-on practice with real-world React projects, measure your skills, and see exactly what the certification is all about. Everything I helped create is designed to help developers like you truly understand React in practice, not just in theory. During the mid-level certification, you'll dive into practical concepts like essential JavaScript features, such as destructuring, spread syntax, and our function that React uses everywhere. Then move on to building React components with JSX and passing props between components while setting up your development tools. You'll learn how to handle user clicks and form inputs with React's event system and control components, manage a component state with useState and understand how React updates your UI, use useEffect for side effects and useRef for DOM access while creating your own custom hooks, and then finally share state across components with Context API and add navigation with the React router. And all of this is built around practical projects, code challenges, and quizzes that reflect the work you'll actually do as a React developer. So by the end, you're not just learning theory, you're building skills you can put straight into your portfolio. So make sure you sign up now at Certificates.dev to secure your spot for React Free Weekend on November 15th and 16th. And if you enjoyed the experience, remember the Black Friday early bird offer is live, so you can grab your React certification bundle at a discount and receive some bonus items. I'm really looking forward to seeing you in the free weekend and hearing how you do. Happy learning. Bye.